1 becomes negative 1. X minus 2x will
Teacher, I beg you ring the bell. Teach your children, teach them how to spell.
Welcome guys. So today my focus is on fractional equations. I'll just go straight ahead and write the problems on the board. First one is 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3 is equal to x over 12. And remember, you can pause the video and go back. In this case, we need to find the least common denominator. For this problem, the least common denominator would be 12. That is 12. All the denominators here are able to go into 12 without a remainder. Hence 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3 is equal to x over 12. All these aspects will be multiplied by 12. 5 over 6 multiplied by 12 minus 12 multiplied by 2 over 3 is equal to 12 times x over 12. Here guys, we will cancel here. 6 into 6, 1. 6 into 12 goes 2 times. 3 to 3, 1. 3 to 12 goes 4 times. Now we can multiply. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Negative 4 times 2, negative 8 is equal to 1 times x will give us x. So the value of x in this case, 10 minus 8 leaves 2. So x is equal to 2. Again guys, remember, you can always go back and pause the video and go back to understand. Now I'm going to go to the second problem. So the second problem is x plus 3 all upon 3 is equal to 4. Guys, again, we're finding the least common denominator. In this case, it's going to be 3. So x plus 3 over 3 is equal to 4. So we can multiply both sides by 3. 3 times x plus 3 is equal to 4 times 3. This is all upon 3, guys. Here we can cancel here. Leave us with 1. Hence, x plus 3 is equal to 4 times 3 will give us 12. X is equal to 12, and we're going to bring over our 3, making it a negative 3. X is equal to positive 9. Again, guys, remember, you can always go back, pause the video, and watch the example again. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so now. Like, share, and subscribe. You can always pause, go back through the video, guys. Next problem is x plus 2 plus 4, this is upon 3, is equal to x plus 9 all over 2. So let us solve. Again, we need to identify the least common denominator. In this case, I believe that 6 is the least common denominator. So I'll multiply each aspect of the equation by 6. and 6 open bracket x plus 2 all over 3 plus 6 times 4 is equal to 6 open bracket x plus 9 all over 2. Now we can simplify. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. Can do the same on this side. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 6 goes 3. Now we're making it into a linear equation. Now we multiply what's out the bracket by what's inside. 2 times x will give us 2x. 2 times 2 will give us positive 4. 6 times 4 will give us positive 24. 3 times x will give us 3x. 3 times 9 will give us a positive 27. Now we can group our data. 2x, bring over my 3x. I'm going to bring this on this side, making it negative 3x is equal to, maintain my positive 27. Bring over, or better yet guys, why not just go ahead here and add these two values here first. Now let me add these two values here, which will give us a positive 28 is equal to 3x plus 27. Now we can bring over 2x minus 3x is equal to 27 positive. Bring over my 28 over this side, making it negative 28. So I now do subtraction, keep the sign of the larger numerical value. This leaves us with negative x is equal to 27, take 28, negative 1. To find the value of x, guys, x is positive, so I divide both sides by negative 1. Therefore, x is equal to positive 1. So in this example here, x would have been equal to positive 1. Again, you can always pause the video and go back and watch the video. Look at how we go about working each problem. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do so now. Like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post my videos. Next one is 4x all upon 3. I'm using small numbers here, guys. Equal 7 over 6 minus 5x all upon 2. Again, we're looking for the lowest common denominator. In this case, we can use 6. Hence, let us write our problem as 6 times 4x over 3 equal to 6 times 7 over 6 minus 6 times 5x all upon 2. Now we can simplify. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 6, make it 2. Do the same here. 6 into 6, 1. 1. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 6 goes 3. Now we can multiply all our values. 2 times 4x will give us 8x is equal to 1 times 7 give us 7. 3 times 5x will give us, this is negative, guys, negative 15x. Important to pay attention to our signs. So let us bring across, maintain my positive 8x, bring this value across, making it positive 15x is equal to 7. 15x and 8x will give us 23x is equal to 7. Again, find the value of x, divide both sides by 23. This will cancel here. X is equal to 7 over 23. Again, you can always pause the video and go back and watch the video, guys. Look at how, so pause and review. I'll go to the final problem here. I'm gonna work the final problem, which is a quarter, 1 over 4, x plus 1 is equal to x over 2 plus 3. Again, we need to identify the least common denominator. In this case, we could use 4. Hence 4 times 1 over 4, open bracket, x plus 1 is equal to 4, I'm using here, guys, the least common, times x over 2 plus 4 times 3. So each term is being multiplied, guys, by my least common denominator, in this case being 4. 4 will cancel 4 here. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 4, 2 times. Now we can multiply each value. 1 times x will give us x. 1 times 1 will give us a positive 1. My equal sign. 2 times x will give us 2x. Plus 4 times 3 will give us 12. We're going to group x plus, no, bring 2x over minus 2x is equal to 12 being positive. Bring over my 1 becomes negative 1. X minus 2x will leave us with negative x. 12 minus 1 will give us 11, guys. And x is positive, so I divide both sides by negative 1. X is equal to negative 11. Remember, two unlike signs give us a negative. So that's the end of my video for today on fractional equations. Remember, you can pause and go back through these videos so as to foster your own understanding. I hope you like my videos. Continue to share. Those who have subscribed already, I really appreciate you doing so. And those who would like to subscribe, go ahead, do so. And remember to share my videos. Until I see you again, this is my presentation on fractional equations.